Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, the XREAL Kaleido Kit. If you own XREAL Air, Air 2, or Air 2 Pro glasses, this accessory is going to take your experience to a whole new level. The XREAL Kaleido Kit allows you to style up your XREAL glasses with 6 vibrant colors. Whether you want to match your outfit or just express your personality, this kit has got you covered. With options like Dartmouth Green, Jonquil, Navy Blue, Pale Dogwood, Royal Blue, and Verdigris, you can change the look of your XREAL glasses whenever you want. It's all about customization and having fun with your tech. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. This kit is designed to work seamlessly with XREAL Air, Air 2, and Air 2 Pro. Plus, it's incredibly easy to apply and remove, giving you the freedom to switch colors hassle-free. Remember, each package includes one skin color, so you can mix and match to create your unique style. It's like having a new pair of glasses every day. If you're looking to enhance your XREAL experience even further, consider checking out XREAL's other products. They offer the XREAL Air 2 Pro AR glasses for the ultimate wearable display, as well as the XREAL Beam for an amazing spatial display. You can even grab the XREAL adapter for added versatility. In summary, the XREAL Kaleido Kit is a fantastic accessory to style up your XREAL glasses. With 6 vibrant colors and easy compatibility, it's a must-have for XREAL enthusiasts. And don't forget to explore other XREAL products to take your tech game to the next level. That's it for today's product critique video. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more exciting product critiques, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching.